52. Genesis chapter 1, verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Isn't it interesting that the very first verse of the Bible doesn't tell us about God's beginning? He speaks about ours. You see, the Bible will tell you wonderful things about God. The Bible will truly come to life when you read it and find out about yourself in God. You see, the desires of your heart, whatever you're looking for, read the Bible from that perspective, and God will show you a whole new side of himself. Do you desire healing? Read the Bible and God will lead you to it. Maybe you desire to learn certain things. Do you desire a spouse, a business owner? There's everything we could ever need in between Genesis and Revelation. The question is, are you only reading it to find a new name of God? Or do you read the Bible to hear what God himself wants to speak about your life? God is real. Get real with him because he loves you. God bless you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.